Hello to you watching. So I just filmed a update for my 5 to 100 Project Pan. That's on my channel. But this is going to be my 1 month 1 palette update, where I was working on my magnetic palette for November and December. And tomorrow's the last day of December, so I'm filming this 1 day early, but better 1 day early than 3 days late. And I'm going to show you some progress. So, look at those itty bitty pans. So, new pans. I had hit pan in this one right at the beginning of December, and that was in my last update. So, for this update, I hit pan in Romance, I hit pan in Look Beyond, I hit pan in Sleigh Bells, I hit pan in these two Urban Decay eyeshadows. Yeah, so that's 6 I hit this month. And my palette is very dirty, so I think tomorrow what I'm gonna do before the start of 2021 is to clean some of my makeup stuff. But yeah, so there's that, and I am gonna roll this out and start a new palette for the month of January, which is the Too Faced Just Peachy palette. Now, I've had this palette for over a year now, and it's been my 1 month 1 palette twice, but I still have 0 pan. So I have no idea how deep these shadows actually are. Let's see if I can hit some pan in the month of January. So, just peachy. And what's good about these all being mattes is that I'll be able to use my glitter glue and my loose glitter to add glitter whenever I feel like I wanna, like today, it's an all matte look. I didn't put any glitter on. But this will be perfect for when I wanna use my glitter glue and put on some glitter. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Happy New Year.